Bypassed points do not create alarm or trouble events, do not detect intruders, and cannot send any reports. For example, to leave a window open and turn the system on, you bypass the window point and then turn the system on. You can bypass points when the area is turned off or disarmed. Points remain bypassed until you unbypass them, or if they are set as bypass returnable when the area is turned off. Use point bypassing with discretion. Bypassing a point reduces the level of security. To bypass a point, open the main menu. Press On/Off. Press Bypass. Press Bypass Points. Select a point to bypass. Enter your passcode and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Bypass. Unbypassing a point returns a bypassed point to the security system so that it can once again respond to trouble and alarm conditions. To unbypass a point, open the main menu. Press On/Off. Press Bypass. Press Unbypass Points. Enter your passcode and press Enter. Select a point to unbypass. Press Enter. Press Unbypass. Escape from the menu.
Bosch, invented for life.